In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix call screening not showing up on an iPhone. Before you do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, what you're going to want to do if it's not showing up for you is open up your iPhone and make sure it is updated to iOS 26 or onwards. This is only going to work in iOS 26 and in future updates, so make sure you do that first. But after doing so, open up your settings and scroll down until you find the phone app, or just click on the little search button and type in phone and then click on the app section specifically for it, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. From here, you should see the option for call screening. You might have to scroll down a little bit in order to find call screening. By the way, my phone number was in there, so if you could blow that, that'd be great. And what you're going to want to do once you see this screen unknown caller section is actually just select the option for ask reason for calling. Once you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go. But if you don't see this option, go ahead and back out and go back to the main menu section. And in the search bar, type in language and then go into the language and region settings. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. First, just make sure your language is set to English or another supported language, and your region is set to the United States, UK, or any other supported region. Call screening isn't yet available everywhere, so your region doesn't support it. The option's obviously not going to appear for you, but if you do change your language or region, tap apply and your iPhone's going to restart. And once you do restart it, go back to those same phone settings and the call screening option should now appear. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.